52, Carlos Pumeke. Carlos, nakailang peke ka? 10. Out of bounds. Ugong ball. Ang dami kasi peke eh. 6 yata na peke yun eh. Traveling violation.
Idol, you know.
Number 26, paso number 11, paso number 52. Sa gilid, no good, nakuha na number 19. Paso number 13, number 13. Layup is good for 2. Nice, still number 19, number 19, good for 2. 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Number 13. Wants to serve to press to Mira. No good, nakuha nila ni number 12. Pass number 88. No good, nakuha ni number 88. No good pa rin. Nakuha Nino. Number 18. Easy shots. No good, nakuha ni number 18. Pass number 88. Good for 2. 50 seconds to play. Nagal na number 88. Out of bounds, blue ball. $42 seconds to play. Number 4, pass number 13, pass number 26, Matchas, pass number 52. Layup is good for 2. May ganun ka pa pala? Kako wala na. Bilis bumaba. Nakataas pa rin yung kamay. Number 19, pass number 18, mukhang titira sa 3. No good, nakuha number 11, pass number 13. 10 seconds to play. Nangagang na number 18. Basag na lang ang maririnig nyo. No good. No good pa din. End of the third quarter. Bola na. Ng Azul. Inbound ni number